Dollar Tree. Oh, it's a dollar store here too. Dollar Tree. I didn't look at that. I don't even know. Yeah, but I mean, like, okay, why is this not? Yeah, work. Yes, I might be working. Friday and Saturday also.
Jail, or it would actually be prison, wouldn't it? It's a felony. So would he go to prison before the election?
Well, there's a Dollar Tree right here.
Number one, you would immediately
let me see
move
where it's
your
at.
accounts with the stay any sentence because you have multiple issues to appeal. And number two, you have a presidential election and you shouldn't be trying to deny or influence even further than you have the ability of people to make a decision like that. I don't put anything past these people. Number three, you're correct, would be a federal prison. Let me ask you a question. How would that work?
That's over here.
You're going to have a whole wing of a federal prison with Secret Service personnel staged there? I mean, look at the insanity that they've created with these phony charges, the creative charges, the arguments that they're making. The Democrats, their judges, their prosecutors, their Department of Justice, the Biden regime has brought us to this place of unimaginable stupidity, which is going to have an impact forevermore on this republic.
You know what?
It is. It simply
They
is.
don't
And then
have
here's Chris
steps
Christie
doing
said, well, he's going to be
stuff. Let me
convicted.
just-
It gives support to this kind of behavior.
Yeah, let's skip that.
And then we have, we can't impeach Joe Biden. We don't have enough information. You have nothing on Trump. The Espionage Act has never been used against a former president, a former vice president, a former cabinet secretary. They're using the Espionage Act against a former president, a SWAT team. They go, oh, does he have classified documents? Are you kidding me? I worked for an attorney general. It would never have reached that point. He would have picked up the phone, called Donald Trump, say, Donald, I'm sending guys down there to get it. Just get out of the way. We're taking the
They're
stuff.
gonna have to do a right turn just to come
Case
up.
over. That's not what they did here.
Parking and loading.
It's
May
appalling
have
what's
to do that
on
without
January
choice.
6th. So basically, they're
I'll make up
attacking
for it.
him for free
Zero.
speech.
So, Mark, help me out on this, because I feel exactly the same passion that you feel, and you can hear it in your voice right now. What happens to half the country when they see Donald Trump, God forbid, convicted? I mean, there comes a time when you're just like, oh, okay, I can't deal with this anymore. Because it's so far out of reality and constitutional republic.
Well, what happens is half the country will not accept the election of the Democrat, whomever it is. Half the country, part of half the country anyway, will be furious about what's taking place. We will no longer accept the results of elections. Period. The Democrats started that as well, starting with 2000, Bush, but Bush is too stupid to understand that they started with him. And the Republic will be forever damaged. Forever damaged. That's what's going on here. And we talk about a division in the country and so forth. They're creating the atmosphere for some kind of a civil war. I'm not even talking about a violent civil war, like the past civil war.
Now I need gas.
Where half the country does not accept the law, half the country does not accept our institutions, the judiciary, where half the country does not accept the taking place in this country. And I don't think that's what happened. Am I talking about that's not the Democrat Party hates America. You read this book. You can see and you can understand